So today we're going to be talking about the 3 best gas ranges here at Dawn's Appliances, what we see sold the most and why. We're going to kind of cover this in a good, better, best scenario. And for our good category, we've got this LG freestanding in the print-proof stainless steel. As far as why this gets sold at a high level, number one, really highly rated on Consumer Reports, and they like to tell you about it too. Number two, BTU ratings at a price point that is anywhere from $9.99 to $11.99 depending on the promotional period that you're in. The BTU output really is on the higher end of things when you're talking about against other brands in this price category. Another feature that people are looking for is going to be that air fry via the convection fan. This is air fry capable, and it's going to come with the air fry basket. And finally, you see that cobalt blue interior. That's called Easy Clean. So it is a steam clean cycle. This has that Easy Clean as well as the traditional pyrolytic self clean. So all in all, that feature set and that price point is why we would rank this as our good option for our best-selling gas ranges. In the better category for our best-selling gas ranges, we're standing here with the KitchenAid. Why this unit's popular? Number one is just the notoriety and the namesake of KitchenAid. Known for reliability, known for being made in America, KitchenAid gets asked for by name daily here in our showrooms. As far as features, it is a convection oven, number one, but number two, it does have automatic conversion built into the machine, so if you don't know what you're doing, it'll do it for you. It is a 5-burner cooktop with a bridge element in the center. It does ship with the griddle, although not pictured here. That middle burner is perfect for a long griddle. And then as far as your oven capacity, it's one of the largest in the industry at 5.8 cubic feet. And self-cleaning wise, this is actually an Aqualift steam-assisted self-clean, not the traditional pyrolytic self-clean. So much safer for the homeowner, much safer for the consumer. You also see KitchenAid allow this model to participate in the national promotions, so you can see that price fluctuate. Anywhere from $15.99 on an everyday down to $8.99 on the biggest promotions of the year. So this is a really great product in that better category. When we're talking about gas ranges at Dawn's Appliances, you got to talk about the GE Profile slide-in gas range. In the way of value for the money, whether it's on sale or not, you are just packing so much into one product when you see this range. On the cooktop, you've got a 5-burner layout. It ships with a griddle combination that's reversible. Not to mention, you're talking about a removable grate where your griddle or your grill plate integrate into the even cooking surface of the grate on top. You've got a dual ring 20,000 BTU burner for your high boils and for your high heat sauteing. Really quick response time and even low simmer there with that interior burner. Additionally, if you're not really a griddle or grill customer, they have a unique dual bridge burner where you can have a traditional circular burner or a dual burner including that bridge if you're going to use that griddle or grill. Moving down into the oven, it's going to be both steam cleaning and self-cleaning. It is convection, it has air fry, broil, bake, roast. It has every cycle you could possibly want. It is Wi-Fi capable if you want to do that with remote enabling and being able to preheat it remotely. As far as the aesthetics on the front, it is very clean. It's nice to look at. They give you an even amount of knobs here. So if you're ever wondering where the oven light is on that GE Profile, it is that one knob by itself to make it even and consistent. All in all, since this unit came out, it's been extremely reliable, it's highly rated, and it's always in stock at Dawn's Appliances.